Hey, yo, guys, what up? Here are some 5 things you need to do in order to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, I'm trying it myself and I'm seeing some growth. So I think you should try it yourself. Okay, one, you have to put end screens to your videos. It gives the viewers an option to watch more of your videos at the end of every video. So put end screens to your videos. Okay, it helps a lot. Two, put cards on your videos because cards are like recommendations. When your videos are playing, it pops up on the top of the screen and the viewer can click on it and go to a recommended video or whatever video you want to put on the card. It also helps a lot. Three, make a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, you have to create one now. Create a playlist with all your videos that you've been making. Make sure it is organized. Depending on the niche, you organize the videos. And it is better to share a playlist link rather than sharing just a single video link. 4, you have to add descriptions on your videos. Descriptions help YouTube to organize and position your video in a way that the viewers can reach it and watch easily, because the algorithm places the video where it belongs based on the description you have given YouTube. 5, upload more shorts. YouTube is pushing shorts heavily, so make sure you upload more shorts. And on those shorts, make sure you put your long form videos descriptions on the shorts. By doing these 5 things, you can grow on YouTube. So make sure you do them to get your channel growing. Subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful to you. Click the like button and share this video to everybody that is on YouTube that you like to get more growth on their channel. Thank you.